Autonomy is moving faster than ever. Unmanned aircraft can see farther. Robotics can operate in more demanding environments. Sensors can collect, process, and transmit critical information at the edge. But for all of that progress, one challenge continues to limit what autonomous systems can do: power. For many missions, the limiting factor is not intelligence, sensing, navigation, or communications. It is energy endurance. How long can a platform remain in the field? How much battery weight can it carry? How often must it return, recharge, or be serviced? And how much time, personnel, and logistics are required just to keep autonomous systems operating? At MaxWave, we believe power should no longer be the constraint on autonomy. Today, most unmanned systems depend on one of two approaches. They carry their energy on board, or they remain physically connected to it. Batteries are essential, but added capacity means added weight. More weight can reduce payload capacity, mobility, and operating time. And when energy runs low, systems often need to land or pause. Tethers can provide continuous power in some situations, but they restrict movement, introduce operational risk, and limit where a platform can go. For remote robotics, distributed sensors, and edge operations, the problem extends beyond a single platform. Every battery must be monitored and replaced. That creates a logistics burden that grows with every system deployed. In environments where access is difficult, power logistics can become the mission. MaxWave is working to change that equation. We develop focused point-to-point wireless power systems for autonomous platforms and remote operations. Rather than broadcasting energy widely, MaxWave directs power precisely from a ground-based transmitter to a compact receiver integrated into an asset. The result is a controlled energy link designed to deliver power where and when it is needed. At the core are three integrated capabilities. First, a high-efficiency transmitter generates and directs power toward the receiving platform. Second, a compact receiver captures that energy and converts it into usable DC power for the platform or payload. And third, an intelligent control system helps keep the link aligned as the platform moves. This enables a different approach to endurance. The MaxWave architecture is built around a transmitter, a receiver, and beam control. The transmitter is installed at a fixed ground location. Connected to an available power source, the receiver is integrated into a compatible UAS, robotic platform, or remote sensor node. It is designed to convert the incoming wireless energy into regulated electrical power. The beam control layer provides scanning and focusing. This allows the system to direct power toward the intended receiver and adapt as operating conditions change. For a UAV, that can mean extended time on station. For a ground robot, it can mean more sustained operation in a remote facility, perimeter, or industrial environment. For a sensor network, fewer maintenance visits. The goal is straightforward: make autonomous systems less dependent on constant manual energy support. MaxWave is designed for applications where persistence matters. For unmanned aerial systems, wireless power can support longer duration observation, inspection, and monitoring without relying solely on batteries. For robotics, it can enable more continuous operation across industrial sites, remote facilities, and complex terrain. For distributed sensors, it solves the edge power challenge. And for austere operations, the technology can help reduce the time and manual effort associated with battery resupply. These are not one-size-fits-all environments. Each mission has its own requirements for range and integration. That is why MaxWave is built around a focused modular architecture. MaxWave is not starting from a blank page. The company's technology is supported by federally funded SBIR development and research collaboration. The work is rooted in more than a decade of research in advanced RF antennas and high-power systems. We are advancing toward dynamic field demos. The current development path includes a tracked beaming system for 100 watts at 100 meters with a roadmap toward 1 kilowatt at 1 kilometer. This is a deliberate engineering progression. Validate the core link, demonstrate tracking, and build toward scalable operational systems. The future of autonomy is not just smarter machines, it is more persistent machines, systems that can stay in place longer and operate farther, require fewer manual interventions, and spend more time delivering mission value. MaxWave is building the energy transfer layer for that future, not by replacing every battery, but by creating a new option for delivering power dynamically to the assets that need it most. For organizations building the next generation of unmanned systems, the question is no longer only what your platform can do, it is how long it can keep doing it. Persistent power, infinite endurance. MaxWave is working to remove power as the limiting factor for autonomy. Discuss a pilot or integration at maxwave360.com.